Hello people from the internet. Today I'm gonna show you how to build like this awesome static grass applicator with which you can do like amazing stuff like awesome grass I just did. Oh wait, here is some too. Nice. Awesome grass. So this will pimp your dioramas or model railroad. I don't know what you do with it. This will pimp it and take it to a whole nother level. For example, I've done like other dioramas a year ago. They look quite nice, but I didn't like the grass. So the grass was okay, it's very little grass, I must say. It's way too less grass, but it's also some of it is standing up, but most of it is laying flat on the ground, and real grass doesn't look like this. So if you have a static grass applicator, you can do like grass that is standing up, and that looks like awesome, amazing. I just did this 5 minutes ago, and I built this thing in 30 minutes, and it cost me 12 euros, I think. And I think that's great. It's awesome. So, and I think now I'm gonna show you how to build this thing. You will need a electronic fly catching thingy thing. You might also want to get 2 batteries to put them in here. We can try it out now, like this. Oh yeah, you can see it's... Oh, and it hums. Nice. So it's working. I got this for like 6 euros at a local electronics shop. I would love to get it way cheaper, but you know, they just had this. So then you will also need a small sieve, a kitchen sieve. I got that for 7 euros, I think. Then you might also want to get your soldering iron, and then you want something to cut a piece of the sieve off. I will use my Proxon. You can use your Dremel then with like this tool, but not the broken one. Maybe I will get a new one. Wait a second. I'll just... So I will use my Proxon with this cutting disc. I just replaced it to cut like the grip off. Then you would also want a screwdriver, of course, and some pliers to get the wires off of this thing. So then you want to begin by just getting all the screws out. So if you got all the screws out, you can open this thing. So yeah, okay, it's okay. So, and then you can see like the small circuit in here that runs the whole thing. Actually, we just need this, but we will use the handle, so it's way easier to get like the sieve on. And then we will remove the main part, cut the wires off. I already did that, and then we can throw that away. So now we have this small part. I will just get all these parts out so I can work easier with it. If you have got this thing out, we can start by looking for these 2 wires. They were attached to the front thing, and we need this one and this one. These are actually 2 wires wired to one point, so we just need one. We can remove the other one. So nice. We need like an alligator clip to get the other pole to the glue when we want to glue the grass on. So I will just remove this wire from here, the white one, and then I will use one of these alligator clips. So, okay, that was very... You shouldn't remove them like this, but no, I have removed it. And you want one end here and one end here. So then I can just use this like a normal wire. Get some solder and see, get it on here. Nice. And then I could warm this thing up, heat it up a bit. Yeah. A good trick is to put some new solder on it, then it will work better. Nice. So. Fuck. So, nice. Now I got the 2 wires on it. Now we want to get our sieve. I think we prepared this. So, want to get our sieve and remove a part of it. I have to think like, so the circuit goes in here like this. Like this. So I have like, I will probably do it like this so I don't have to remove this plastic part, put it between that and cut it off right here, I think. This is good, yeah. Just do it like that. So, then I will get my procs on, and you might, if you're doing that at home and you don't have a work table, a desk, you might want to get like something to put under it. I will do that too. I think that's better. Yeah. Now I have cut this in half. So now I will try again to put it in here to the other stuff. So that's awesome. Yeah, that will work. Nice. So actually one thing I didn't test was if this thing is like, if you can run any current through it. Okay, yeah, that's great. And I could install this, but I might have to look like how wiggly that thing is. So, okay, that's not that great. So, what do I want? I want like a wooden piece in here. That looks promising, I think. So, 1, 2. Is this enough? Let's see. Dang it. Put this thing together. It's a lot less, but I might want to do something. So, okay. Got this. So, yeah, I can drill a hole in that. Okay. So, I destroyed one of them, but I don't think that's a problem. I think that's great, because now I can like... No, wait a second. These are the two. Yeah. I can put like one on here. And then I can put the sieve. No, that's way too thick. Yeah, this is great. And I still have the wooden brick, the wooden thing. I might remove that. Yeah, that's better. I put it up here. I think that's great. So, and now I just need to put, yeah, that I have to do that first. Put the electronics in here. So, actually it's not important which wire is going where. I will just have them hanging out here. And then this thing. Great. And then our wooden piece, where is it? Yeah, nice. We'll just put that one right there. Right, so then I want to assemble that again. This. Electronics will sit in there. And where's the red button? Nice, the button. Oh no, the LED will still not fit in here. What is wrong with you? Come on. Ah. Yeah, that's nice. So, yeah, that's actually not that bad. So now I will put all the screws back in. Nice. That sieve is going nowhere. So I might like put this around here, then clip like this. Okay, that's okay. So I will just put the two batteries back in and hope that nothing explodes. And also I broke this cap when I opened this for the first time, so be a bit careful with this. It's very cheap. Yes, nice. Okay, it's humming again. So we can now try it out. So I will start by putting some wood glue on it. So something like this. Then I will just put it all over the place where you want the grass. Yeah. That's good. So then you get your model grass. Maybe like I have two different colors. I will start with the darker one. And then you will okay. At first you will need like a small nail or something to put in front of the static grass applicator. So I think this one is a bit too small. You would normally use something bigger, but I don't have anything at the moment. So I will just clamp it in here like this, and then I maybe Okay, that's not working great. I will have to do it with the other hand. So, and then I will put some grass in here. Like this. Now I'm just gonna start it and look how it works. It looks awesome. Nice, nice. So now I'll just like get rid of all of the excess grass. Look at this. It's amazing. Like the grass is standing like real grass. Oh my gosh. I was curious if this thing was actually working, but nice. That's pretty cool. Nice.